Hello everyone, I got one toy. Her name is Annie. She's a Lego, and I got one is Sonic the Hedgehog, but in a car, and I even got his people miniature. So we're gonna show you it on the end. And then Knuckles come. No, then Tail comes. Then Sonic comes. And then Sonic's yellow friend comes, but I don't know his name. So Knuckle comes, but then Sonic goes next to the Sonic car. This is the Sonic one, and Tail go to the Tail car, and yellow one goes to the yellow car. So, but the yellow one is gonna slide, so we have to put it near. So then Knuckles comes, so he'll be standing right here. That's all of the characters, but Annie, we don't got Annie in this adventure because Annie doesn't drive a car, so we only got the miniature of the Lego Annie. So she could move whichever direction you want her to move, she could move in that direction. See? And her arms could move in the direction, and even there, and here and there, and her hair can even turn around in wrong direction.